Hola familia, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for all the continuous love and support. Your girl appreciates you guys. If you're new here to my channel and you're interested in lifestyle, beauty, self-care with an occasional vlog, then of course feel free to join La Familia by hitting the subscribe button along with the little bell next to it. That way you are aware of any single time that I do post any new videos on here. And also before I get started, I want to send mad love to all of you guys. I hope that everyone is staying safe and healthy during these times, during all times. Mad love. Mwah. Love you guys. Okay, let's get started.
Given a chance, always thought we would make it this far. I guess the universe is on our side.
So today we are going to be doing FabFitFun unboxing for spring 2021. It's bananas to even think that it's spring 2021. I don't even know what happened in 2020. But anyway, that's besides the point. This is the box that I got this season. I did get this last week and I'm just now getting around to it. So I definitely want to do this unboxing quickly. The box is really, really cute. It's actually quite larger than other ones and kind of thicker. I love the little design on it, you know, with like the cardboard and the orange, pink flowers. It's really, really pretty and gives me that whole like spring vibe. Okay, so if you don't know what FabFitFun is, it is a quarterly subscription box, basically 4 times a year. You can pay $49.99 each time you get the box, like 4 times a year, or you can jump ahead and pay for the annual, which is $179.99, and you get all 4 boxes for the whole year, which is pretty cool. I really do like that deal. In this box, there's usually products anywhere for like 6 to 8 full-size products, and it has anything to do with fashion, wellness, home decor, beauty, skincare. It has a little bit of everything, and it's pretty cool because every month prior to, you get the opportunity to customize some of your stuff. So it'll give you the options. If you don't want makeup, you don't want skincare, you can literally customize what you want, or you don't have to customize it at all. You could just get whatever you want. I mean, whatever they want. But okay, enough talking. Let's jump into this one. Like I said, this box is quite large, and this is what it looks like when you open it. All right, first things I see here is definitely a little pamphlet. What is this? Grow Forth, Grow Forth. I have no idea what this is. Oh, okay, here we go. It's a $15 off coupon off your first FabFitFun. So if you are interested, I will link the code to this down below. That way you can get $15 off your first box, which of course is pretty cool. And then you get, oh, that's cute, some little stickers. The stickers have flowers, say FabFitFun, just like pots and flowers, and spring 2021 stickers. That's pretty cute. And here you have your pamphlet. Basically, it's like a little catalog kind of thing that talks about different things for the spring. It has your editor's notes. It tells you the products that could possibly be in your box, along with what they're for and how much they cost. And this one is kind of cool. This one talks about FabFitFun giving back, members perks. It just gives you like a whole bunch of little cool things. And it actually talks about a future spring edit sale, which is when they have a whole bunch of their items for like really, really good prices. So yeah, this is definitely good to have, especially when you're opening up your box. I don't know what's going on with my voice today. Anyway, oh, another paper. This is from HelloFresh. They usually send one of these, and this one is a 13 meals with this code. Pretty cool. So this does come in here, which is a nice little perk. Let's start with the first thing in the box. Here I see something by the brand. I think it's called Earth Harbor. This is the Biome Brightening. I don't know if it's a serum or not. This is the packaging. Let me look in this little catalog and tell you guys exactly what it is. Okay, so it looks like it is an oil. I don't know if you can kind of see it, but it does have like a little baby blue clear color to it. This one, like I said, it's Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule. I don't have no idea. But it says that it's an oil that features spirulina and blue tansy to vigorously brighten and balance your skin. So that's pretty cool. I do love some skincare, so this is nice. Of course, let's give it a little smell test. And as you can see, it has a little dropper, and there it is. Okay. Honestly, I don't smell nothing, which is probably good because I'd rather something not smelling anything than have a bad smell. Let me go ahead and smell it off my hand. Okay, I do. It smells like a medicated, like Vaporu. That's what it reminds me of. Ooh, like a mentholy kind of smell. Okay, that's really, really nice. I kind of like it. It's not too tacky. It's kind of like a serum once it hits your hands. Well, serum / oil. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let me see how much this one retails at. This one retails at $38. Oh my gosh. All right, well, that's pretty cool. That's the first thing in the box. Moving on here, we have something by the brand Sai. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly. And this is a reusable beauty round. It's a 3-pack, and basically it says to ditch your makeup wipes and use these like recyclable cotton rounds, which is pretty freaking cool. I know that these are pretty popular right now. I have like little other ones, I think from PMD or something. Ooh, okay. This is what they look like. As you can see, it has like the little cotton nest kind of thing. It's a lavender color and it's a little set of 3 of them. So that's really, really cool. Obviously, you can recycle these. You don't have to be wasting little makeup products, makeup wipes and or anything like that. So this is definitely really cool. And how much does it retail at? It retails at $15. So yeah, you can't go wrong with reusable cotton rounds. All right, next thing in the box. This is by the brand Lark and Eyes, and it looks like it's a hair scarf bundle. It comes in this little cute pack. It says it's supposed to be scarves that can be wrapped around your ponytail or bun, and you can tie them onto your handbag or as an accessory. I like the little packaging of these. This is adorable. Oh, I think I remember this now. Okay, like I was mentioning early, this is kind of cool. It has a little card in which it tells you like different ways you can style it. Earlier I was talking about the customizations, and you can definitely go through and customize. Like if you don't want skincare 1 month, or you don't want fashion or whatever it is, you can definitely customize. And this is what this one looks like. I love it. This color is so pretty. Hopefully you guys can actually appreciate what it looks like. It has a little flower on it, and you can literally do anything. I love wearing like, that was not what I wanted. But anyway, I love wearing scarves and things on my head. All kind of accessories. So these are definitely really, really cute. And here's kind of like a tan one. And what happened, FabFitFun? This one's dirty. Damn. But anyway, they feel really, really soft. How much do they cost? They retail at $30, and not only, like I said, can you use them for your hair, but also just as accessories. I know a lot of people sometimes tie them up like on their bags and stuff, and they look pretty cute. So that's cool and that's different. Moving on to the next thing that we have here in the bag. It looks like it is a little ring. This one is by the brand Joy Jervecki. Okay, and I think that this was a customization, if I am correct. This is what it looks like. Hopefully you guys can see it. It's like a little greenish kind of stone, and it has little pretend diamond cuts, I guess, around it. I wish that they had sizing on these, because I feel like this is kind of lame. You know, the little thing in the middle where you can make it obviously bigger or smaller, so it's good because if you get chubbier or skinnier or whatever it is, it always will fit you. Okay, that's perfect. However, it is really, really pretty. Look at that. Okay, a little fun fact about this one is that it is $75. That is crazy, but it does say that it fits ring sizes 6 to 8, and it's adjustable hexagon ring shape. And there it is one more time for you guys. So I do think it is really pretty. I'm actually probably gonna wear it today because I feel like it goes with my whole vibe. All right, cool. I like that. Moving on to the next thing. Okay, the next thing comes in this little carton like this. It is from the brand Summer Rose, and it is a little tweezer pouch. I want to say I did customize in here because I always need tweezers. I always lose them every single time. So I thought this was pretty cute. So here's what the little pouch looks like. It's like a little tan pouch, opens up like that, and here is your tweezers. It has Summer Rose on it with a little flower on it. So it's pretty cute. Fancy, not fancy, but like, you know, handy. That's the word I'm looking for. Put it in like that, and of course you have tweezers on the go, so that's pretty cool. If I didn't tell you guys already, which I don't think I did, if I did, it cost $20. Wow, okay, but that's pretty cool. I really like those. Moving on to the next thing in the bag. What is this? Sun's Out, Pouts Out. 4 pieces of gold foil lip mask. Oh yeah, okay, now we're talking. Let's find it in the book. So this is it, to kiss your dry lips goodbye. This botanical extract that deeply hydrates and conditions your lips for a smoother pout in just minutes. It costs $16. You do get 4 of them. I'm obviously not gonna open up the mask because obviously I don't want to waste it. But here is the packaging. It looks really cute. Got some nice little lips on the cover. It does say that it is vegan, which is obviously always good. It's supposed to soothe, nourish, make your lips kissable, and soften them. So that's pretty cool. And it's made in Korea, which I always do appreciate when, I don't know, when boxes put things from other, like skincare from Korea is bomb. So obviously can't go wrong with that. All right, guys, the next thing in the box is these pink faux slippers. I want to say I did customize. I feel like I customized my whole, like, basic, maybe like other than 3 items, I customized a lot of this. So I did know I was going to get these. All right, so this is what they look like. I don't know. I just think they're really cute. You can always use some house shoes. They are pink, so of course they're cute. It has like these little double things that cross, and these are them. So, fun facts about these is that they cost $48. Like I said, they're fur slippers in crystal pink, and they said that they're just really cozy for an ultimate cozy night. They're really cute. I am excited to try them out. Okay, so the next thing in the box is actually funny because I was gonna customize this with something different, but my husband was like, no, get that, and I got it pretty much for him. And tomorrow's his birthday. Happy birthday, baby, if you're helping me edit this right now. But I was gonna give this to him as part of his little birthday gift, but this is from the brand Short Stories. It's an LED indoor planter. Let me give you some details on it. So yeah, it's an LED indoor planter and True Leaf Market Italian large leaf basil seeds. Okay, so these cost $2.49 and the actual planter costs $60. And this is that you can grow fresh basil in the comfort of your own kitchen. I'll try to open it and see. But these are the seeds right here. Now I'm questioning whether, does it have to be just basil that goes in here, or can you do any other kind of plant? Alright, well, I'm not going to open it up completely like that, but this is kind of what it looks like. If I do find a picture of it set up, which I think it's in the thing, I will put it up here so you guys can kind of take a look at it. So that's pretty cool, man. I like that. I like that. And I know he's going to really appreciate that. So I think we have come to the end of the box. I'm going to jump on here really quick and add up everything and just kind of give you like an overall idea of how much everything costs. So I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and after adding up the 8 items that came in this season's box, the total came out to $304.49, which is amazing because if you were paying just like the monthly subscription of it, it's only $50, and if you're paying for the year, it's actually less than that. So the whole value of the box is absolutely amazing, and I really do like the products. I feel like it's definitely different. It gives me spring vibes for sure. You have a little bit of everything, a little bit of kind of fashion, things for the house. You have some serums, things for yourself, or skincare. You have a little bit of everything, which is really, really cool. So I do like this box a lot, but I'm actually going to show you guys some other stuff too. I wasn't even going to add it in here, but I have to because FabFitFun also offers add-ons. So if you are interested, I'm kind of going to show a couple little add-ons that I did add on to this month. Like I said earlier, sometimes you can customize, you can customize your box. However, if you have a couple of options that you're not really sure which one you want, you can actually get one for free, part of the box, and then you can pay like $10 to add another one. So I did that with a couple of things. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I added. So in the section where I had the thing for the planter, you know, for my husband, the one that I wanted him to have, I ended up getting this one for $10. It's a Gayam Studio Select. It's supposed to be a mini ab ball and a core reformer. So I saw this on there and I originally wanted it, and of course I wanted to like give my husband something, so I got the other one for him. But I am slowly starting to get back into working out, so I figured this is a really cool thing to have, and this is like a mini little ball for your abs. So for $10 I felt like it was kind of cool to add on. Okay, another thing that I randomly added on, but since I started working again, I'm trying my hardest to start bringing lunch to work. So they had this little thing from, the brand is called Our Place, and it's a lunch box, but it just looked so freaking cute. I don't remember what I customized my box with in which I didn't get this, but I have to just show you guys. This is what the little box looks like. This is so freaking cute. So let me see if there's anything good to know about this. Said it includes 2 layered compartments, a sealing strap lid, and 4 utensils in there. And it's pretty much good for leftovers is what it says. So you take these little things off right here off the sides, and this opens, and here, how cute is this? You have your little utensils. And the fact that they're like pinkish, of course I loved. Hold on. And of course, once you open that, you do have your little container to put your food, leftovers in, whatever. And it's actually kind of cool because you could take this out and clean it. And it's a decent size, but I think it's just perfect for like on the go and just for lunch. So for $10 added on to it, obviously I couldn't go wrong. So let me see what else I have. Okay, as far as the adding to the customizations, I think that was it. I only have those 2 items. In fact, I'm lying. I think there's one that hasn't shipped out yet. They will be sending that here within the next week. They wrote me an email. So I did add on. Now with add-ons, you get like really, really good discounts on everything. Sometimes like 50 to 70% off. And this is the time that I kind of spoil myself, I guess you could say, because the prices are unbelievable. So I did go ahead and finally invest in this little Moonchild Glow Kit palette. It's by the brand Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and it's literally just a little highlighter palette. But I just thought the colors, hold on, were so pretty. Look at that. So I definitely put this in there. I want to say it was like 15 bucks or something. Don't quote me. But I just kind of want to show you guys some of the things, because a lot of people are always like, well, what can you add on? What can you get? Everything that you basically see in the box, sometimes you can add on or just get good discounts on it. Another thing that I did purchase, I think this was like 11 bucks. It's a replenishing hair mask, little packets from the brand Foxy Bay. I really do like the brand Foxy Bay, especially like their hair tools. I think they're great. So I really wanted to try this, and I thought it was kind of dope because it came with like little packs. So this is what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of like Crystal Lights or something, but in there it has everything that's gonna replenish. It's a hair mask, so it's gonna replenish your hair, give it moisture and all that good stuff. And my hair's been looking really like dingy lately, so I figured that was a really cool buy. The next stuff that I do have here is mostly skincare. But hold on, let me get to the lipstick. I got this little lipstick by Jouer. It's a long wear lip cream. Not that I really need any more lipsticks, but for some reason I just thought this color was really pretty when I saw it. It is kind of like a nude. There it is. It's in the shade Ballerine. Yeah, Ballerine, not ballerina, Ballerine. So yeah, I thought it was really cute. So I figured, oh yeah, that's pretty. Definitely digging that. There is that color right here. So I thought that was really cool. And then the next items that I got, which I'm not going to go too much in detail, but it is from the brand. I've always talked about the brand Skin & Co Roma. They're obviously from Italy, and they just have very like beautiful scents. It's not even beautiful scents. It just smells, all of them smell amazing. It's like a coconut fresh scent. And I do have a few other items, and they're on the pricier side, but on FabFitFun, when they get added to the add-ons, they're like a really, really good price. So I went ahead and I invested in the Morning Dew. This is, I haven't tried this yet, but this is what it looks like. And I want to say probably like all of these were like 20 bucks. And then I got the regular hydrating cream, which I do have the eye one and I absolutely love. Let's see if they smell the same. Okay, good, cool. And then I wanted to get the Dream Cream, which is basically your cream for at night. So I'm assuming it probably looks the same. So I got those as well. And last but not least, totally random, but last FabFitFun from like last season, I got this Case Somerville, like an hyaluronic acid type of thing. A serum. It was a serum. That's what it was. And I loved it. I went through it like within a month and I absolutely loved it. And so this season, they actually added that one, and it added a different one, and this one is a Squalene hyaluronic acid. It's supposed to hydrate and plump your skin. I will say, guys, I really, really did like this product, and I know that usually it's very expensive. It's still expensive on FabFitFun add-ons, but like half the price. So this is what it looks like, and it is like your little serum thing. So I just wanted to kind of show you guys what else you can. Oh my god, hold on! The best part. This is the reason why I wanted to show you guys. Hold on. Okay. So anybody who knows me knows that I love blankets. I don't know. I love like warm, fleecy kind of blankets. I have one of my best friends. She gives me like a blanket like every year because she knows I love them. So I saw this under add-ons and I needed to have it. Hopefully it's as cozy as I think. But this is from the brand Summer and Rose, and it's a stay extra warm and cozy knitted throw blanket. Hopefully you guys can even see, but I am obsessed with it already. Definitely did not need it, but let's see how cute it is. All right, here we have it, guys. It's actually a lot thicker than I thought. So, oh my gosh, I'm a mess. So yeah, I have to say that this was actually a really good buy. I'm really excited about it. Like I said, I love blankets, I love pink, and the fact that this was in there, I was kind of like, all right, cool. Gotta have it. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you guys some of the stuff that you guys can get. I did overall love this box. Let me know what you guys think. I know this video is a little bit lengthy, but I wanted to show you guys a little bit of everything that they have. So if you like it, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for all the love, all the support, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Muchas gracias. Ciao.